Hello guys, welcome back another video. Today in this video we will talk how to cancel your AKC pet insurance. Okay, so before cancellation you need to keep something in your mind, like if you want to cancel your insurance there is only one method, that is like only calling method. You need to call their customer support team, and their customer support is available only Monday to Friday 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Eastern time, and Saturday the timing is 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Eastern time. Okay, and there is no cancellation fee. You can cancel your insurance policy at any time. Okay, and if you are eligible for a refund or unused premium, then they will provide you. Okay, now we will talk about how you can contact. So basically the page, this is the page you can see over here. I will provide you link in our video description box, and this is the page of AKC pet insurance policy and billing related. There is a FAQ section, and on this section you will find their phone number. Okay, or you can directly search their phone number on internet, you will get the same phone number. Okay, and there is also, they have mentioned there is no, you can like penalty. You can cancel your coverage at any time in the mid policy period also. Okay, and this the same thing is available on this page also. Okay, so by using this way you can easily cancel your AKC pet insurance. Now if you have any other questions you can make a comment. I will reply you very soon, and thanks for watching this video. Bye bye, take care, see you soon in the next video.